we are making today. Today we are manufacture 500 pieces, 17-inch picap overframe touch monitor. Okay, let's go and see. In this station, the LCD panel and the touch screen are already inspected. You can see that our touch screen and the plastic frame, they already stick together, and you can see there is a gap. The LPC is quite important for the pickup touch screen. We must protect it quite well, okay? If the LPC is broken, the whole touch function is failed. After that, we will push into our dust-free workshop. Our colleagues will clean the LCD and the touch screen in the workshop, dust-free workshop. See that the cleaning and air bonding the touch screen and LCD here. Okay. After that, in this station, we will sticker the cable, make sure it is clearly and not interference. And next station, we will make the metal case. And right now, they are connected to the controller, okay? The touch controller. And then they screw the metal case. And this is the back cover. Inside the back cover, there are AD board inverter, and we will assembly this station here. Okay. After we assembly already, then we put on the shift, and then we move to the aging test room. We will do 4-hour high temperature aging test. Okay. The temperature is 45 centigrade to 50 centigrade. Let's go and see the aging test room. Okay. You can see that. This morning we had shipped out 150 pieces, 90-inch overframe pickup touch monitor already. This is the balance around 350. Yeah, you can see that the exact quantity is 341 pieces here. The aging test for us. If you are looking for the overframe touch monitor, contact us. We are here. You are welcome to visit our facility. Thank you. Bye-bye.